Hi guys, good morning. Actually just woke up. The lighting is rather bad. It's 9:03, 9:04 in the morning actually. Okay guys, 9:04 in the AM, just trying to answer some emails. I'm actually working on a proposal that I'm supposed to send by the end of the week. So let me just get up and yeah, I'll see you guys. Hi guys, now you can see me well. I'm in the bathroom. The lighting is a bit great. So I just want to first of all start by doing my skincare routine that I do in the morning. It's something that it used to be more intense, but you guys, I'll show you what I use and yeah, we'll just chat and all that. Okay, so this is the things I use, but I haven't used this in a while because it started reacting with my skin. So let's store that. So the ones that I use are these two, but the one that I use a lot is this toner. I use this toner like crazy. I used to use it with a cleanser, but as I was saying, I was using the toner with the cleanser, but the cleanser started reacting with my skin. Like when I stopped using it, my skin started reacting. So I just stopped using it at all and I just use the toner. Like I skip a day and I do it on intervals, let's say that, and I scrub once a week as well. So let's go. Maybe this is not sponsored by the way, I just love it. And so this is something else. People usually use cotton wool with this, but I do not. I like it on my hands. I know this is weird. I don't know if anyone of you does this. If you do it, comment down below. But I know when people use cotton wool. So I'm just going to generously apply onto my face and on my eyes, my forehead, just basically all around. And if you guys have used this product before, now it smells so good. So yeah, that's it. Steady rocking on a midnight tree. And so after that, I just take Vaseline. I just dab it on my lips a little bit. Then that's it. Now we're cute to stay in the house. Now I'm ready if I want to put on a bit of makeup, I can. But that's basically my small care routine, you guys. So let's go ahead and make breakfast.
5 minutes later.
So this is how they look like after. It looks so good. The shell is hard, so they turned out pretty good. So we're just going to do a taste test and know if we did a good job.
A few moments later. 2 hours later.
Hi guys, it's actually much later in the day. It's 2:50 p.m. and I want to make a recipe and share with you guys. We are making sweet potato sweet potato what is it called, sweet potato balls. Yeah, so I've been on a ngwashe roll of late. We've been eating like ngwashe all the time, so I just wanted to take you guys through what I cook. And before that, you know, cooking has to come with music. I don't know if you guys that's how you do it, but me, I can't cook without music. So let's go. Okay, so for the ingredients, okay, I'm out of breath. The dancing. So we have sweet potatoes, aka ngwashe. These are cooked, by the way. We have sugar, of course. We have all-purpose flour, a regular tin, and our egg over here, and fork. So that's it. So let's begin. So I'm just going to begin by peeling all these sweet potatoes one by one, and then I will catch you after that. As you guys can see, I'm done with the peeling, so I'm just going to quickly just crush them, and then let me set you guys up, then I'll show you. So good now. So we're just going to crush them with this fork, and yeah, that's it. That's it. Well, my fork is literally bending, but it is what it is, son. Okay, it's a bit dark, but here, so it's already completely mashed. With the light there. So after it's mashed, I'm just going to add my flour. I don't really measure, but just like half a cup is fine. And because the sweet potatoes are already sweet, oh, they're already sweet, I'm just going to add a little bit, just a little bit. So this is how it looks, and I'm just going to mix it all together. And yeah, oh wait, you guys, we had an egg. Quickly just hit it. Whoa. So this is how it looks, but it's gonna turn out great. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly just grease my hands. Just apply some oil to your hands, and then we're just going to make balls out of it. See, so one by one, just making the balls, making them round. And now you can see I'm already done making them into balls. So I'm just going to put them into the fridge for like 30 minutes to an hour. Yeah, and then they'll be good to go.
Day 2.
And I didn't really show you guys how I made them, but just from the fridge, I kept them overnight because I was like too tired to cook them. So this is the next day. I just deep fried them on medium heat for like 5 minutes till they float, and then this is how they turned out. They're really nice. You guys should try them. They just look like mandazi or kaimatis, and they're really good. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Sorry. These things are good, by the way, are so good. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. I had so much fun filming this video. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time that I post. Follow me on my social media handles. The links will be down on the description. You guys, asanteni sana. Let's continue to grow. Share this video, like, comment, all that good jazz. Till next time, guys. Bye.